Everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
We're gonna make winning plays every day. So check this out. We are going to do another video. This is, let's see, Champions Business Tips 2021 Season 1 Part 7, Become an Expert at Something. This is Episode 2. So, get the title figured out. I don't know exactly. So, just, check this out. When you become an expert, this is what I want you to think about. Like, know who's the expert in your field. So for me, it's Valuetainment, Patrick Bet-David. That's the top of my field, right? Business information, right? Interviews, letting people know what's going on the business side of things, mindset development. Valuetainment is at the top. To me, that's number one. If I look at a business that's an expert, you want to have something that you're looking up to say, okay, if I can get to anywhere close to what they're doing, I'm doing amazing. You want to have that business that you can look at so you can, and with his business, he's doing so much. He's so ahead in everything he's doing. He interviewed one of the top people in the world on the cryptocurrency side just this last week. He done so much things. His conferences are huge. The information that he gives out is crazy. Just lets everybody know, just really connected from every area. So that's why I can look at everything he's doing and say, okay, I like what he's doing and it's very in line with my message. And I just want to, I can always look at what he's doing and be inspired to do better. Interview with Kobe, one of his last interviews, but it was very powerful, going over how he stayed focused and everything like that. Kobe was one of my favorite people in the history of humanity. So for him to have that interview was huge. Interviewed so many athletes, so many people on the entertainment side, so many people on the business side, so many people that are just, if you get a Valuetainment interview, take that one serious, because Valuetainment is big, right? It's at the top of on the business world. To me, Valuetainment is sitting by itself. Like, so child, what Patrick Bet-David did, that's my expert that I look up to in my field. Have an expert that you look up to in your field. If you work out, have somebody you look up to that you can say, if I can get anywhere, because it helps you look at what they're doing and say, okay, they accomplished that. What am I doing? Don't be doing nothing, right? Be accomplishing something, right? So when you work with people or when you do things, people can be impressed. Like, okay, he got the QuickBooks invoice to me quick. It looks good. Okay, I feel secure. His QuickBooks, I have no problem paying him. He put the description for his services that he provide nice and clean. Think about everything that you're putting out there. Be strong with that. Be strong with your message. Be strong with your brand. All right, so make sure you know who you're looking up to, right? And if you have a field that's completely brand new, maybe a little harder. But there isn't a like field to every field. If you're in Bitcoin, finance is a like field, right? So even though it is finance, it's very unique, but there is a like field to everything that you're doing. So remember that you don't have to be out in the dark. No one has to be out in the dark on what they're doing, right? Got the Bitcoin shirt, by the way. Still got that. Got to get you one. It feels different, right? Decentralized. Can't nobody knock you for using this B, because it's decentralized. There's no owner. You're the owner of Bitcoin. You're the owner. So just remember that, though. Have somebody you look up to in your field that's big. And yeah, just keep that mindset. Build on that. Grow on that. And we're just going to keep building from here, right? Make sure you check out the Instagram, the Champions Playbook. Merch on Instagram. Got a lot of powerful stuff on there, and they're gonna be putting a lot more stuff on there, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure you check out the YouTube, the Champions Playbook. A lot of powerful series coming out. We already have a lot of powerful series, from Champions Value Assets to the Champions Business Tips to Foundations of Success. So we already have a lot built. So be on the lookout for more of those coming. Make sure you support and donate our PayPal, the Champions Playbook, link in the description. Make sure you also support our Cash App, the Champions Playbook, link in the description. Right? Valuetainment, link's gonna be in the description so you can see what I'm talking about. And yeah, let's just keep building, right? 2021 is a big year. We want to keep building on the progress that we made. We want to continue to make more progress, right? This is just a start to the things that we're doing, right? Let's not waste time, right? Just knock this out.
Check, living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress, but finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You searching with healing, the ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds, I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all